Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shopify sales concerns step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your store's analytics to identify sales trends and concerns. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the analytics section. Pay special attention to key metrics like conversion rates, traffic sources, and average order value. Identify any significant drops in sales or unusual spikes in traffic that may indicate issues. Next, review your website design for user experience and aesthetics. Ensure your store is visually appealing and aligned with your brand identity. Check the navigation for ease of use and make sure products are categorized logically. Test your website on multiple devices to ensure that it is mobile friendly. After that, evaluate your product descriptions and images. Make sure each product has high-quality images and detailed descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Consider adding customer reviews or testimonials to build trust. Next, assess your pricing strategy. Compare your prices with competitors to ensure they are competitive yet profitable. Consider running promotional discounts or bundling products to encourage sales. Then, examine your checkout process for any friction points. Ensure that it is simple and straightforward, minimizing the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Test the checkout flow yourself to identify any potential issues. Afterward, enhance your marketing efforts. Utilize email marketing by reaching out to cart abandoners and previous customers with tailored offers. Engage with potential customers on social media platforms and consider running targeted ad campaigns. Next, monitor customer feedback through surveys or direct outreach. Use this information to improve product offerings and website experience. Finally, stay updated on e-commerce trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Research new tools and plugins that can improve your store's performance. Consistency in evaluating and adapting your strategies is key to long-term success. By following these steps, you can address sales concerns effectively and foster growth in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.